Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a 16-inch Malcolm Campbell Bluemel steering wheel. We make these with thicker plate on the spokes here. These are 3mm plate stainless steel spokes rather than the original thin chromed sprung spokes, and we make them totally rigid. They're not bolted in. This is a sort of a fake way of mounting them here. They're actually completely fixed, but people often use these for racing because they're more reliably strong, and they're slightly undersized as well. We make these in 16-inch and 16 3/4 inches as well. And we also make a version where the plastic comes down to the bottom of the spoke rather than just partially down the spoke. But this would be quite suitable for an MG or something of the sort of mid-30s period.